Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Energy System Style 4 from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have the button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to, firstly I will tell you the difference between disconnect and pair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, you will totally remove them from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget button. But let's disconnect them. So disconnect. And as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but still have them at the device list and I can easily reconnect them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!